So these satellites orbit around the Earth, and every time it has an opportunity to capture an image over an area, it will. As long as we set the commands using our ground stations, it will be uploaded to those satellites, and then it will execute the capture. Division, since we handle requests, so some examples of these agencies who request DNR. So if there needs to be monitoring done for example, forest, possibly deforestation activities, mining activities, or maybe even just monitoring our natural resources. We provide data to them. For example, if they want to monitor a certain project, it would be ideal to know what the targets are, what the dates are related to the project, when it was supposed to be started, what are the
Mm,
milestones, what is the end of the project, so that for our side, we can cross-validate
mm.
it with archived satellite images, meaning images that have been taken at a date in the past, and then collate all those data sets so that the relevant conclusion could be done.
Satellites are really a good fit for us since it's not very cost effective to go to everywhere, and then satellites can cover a large area. But that doesn't mean ano lang, satellites are the end all be all kasi like na-mention ni Julius kanina, yung, for example, na-classify namin yung mga mangroves all over the country, but that is generated by a computer. So we would still have to see yung ground truth. This is also an opportunity to use what technologies we have for better transparency and accountability, since satellites for our, I guess they are like our eyes in the sky. So, as parang yung patrol po siya. But actually, we would also want them to be in the future na para pong yung mga, when we say na something is satellite monitored, parang po yung mga warnings, yung these premises are monitored by 24-hour surveillance. Parang ganon. Since they would be good po, di ba, to monitor kung may corruption nang nangyari. But it would be more better in the more better in the future if it would change behavior po, di ba, na magiging in a way deterrent.